Email is an indispensable part of our life. Everyone is increasingly using emails, and you need to learn how to make money with email marketing. When you hear any experts say, money is in the email list, they're absolutely correct. But getting started with email marketing can be difficult and, more importantly, very expensive before you even see a sale. But not anymore. This is going to change with Secret Email System. Bacak's Secret Email System is marketed as a counterintuitive approach to running an online business, but is it really? This Secret Email System review is going to show you if this counterintuitive approach can make you profitable online. You're going to discover exactly what the Secret Email System is, how it works, and ultimately if it's a scam or a legit way to make money. What is Secret Email System? Secret Email System is a list-building ebook launched in September 2020 by Bacak, who claims he can teach you how to utilize email marketing to build a seven-figure business. Matt calls this ebook a business machine that only requires 30 minutes of work a day to generate sales around the clock. He says you don't need to create your own products or take care of customer service. The sales video includes a typical sob story about him struggling, working 80 hours a week and almost giving up until he finally figured out how to turn his online business into a machine, generating income on autopilot. The ebook is supposed to be the exact duplicate of the steps and shortcuts he took to make it happen. So-called shortcuts don't sit with me well. Whenever an opportunity describes itself as an overnight solution, I smell a rat. Who is Matt Bacak? Matt Bacak is a long-time email marketer with experience going back to 1997, when email marketing was born. How much is Secret Email System? The Secret Email ebook is $5.60. As soon as you check out, you'll be directed to the first Ultimate Email Marketing Package upsell priced at $97, discounted down to $47. The second, the Secret Email Mastermind upsell, costs a monthly $9.95. 6 Secret Email System cons. 1. The upsells are more expensive than the ebook. Let's face it, the front-end ebook is just a ruse to get you to buy into the more expensive upsells. 2. There's a high chance your emails will land in the spam pile. If the email list you build includes people who are inundated with sales pitches on a daily basis, your email will likely land in the spam folder, which means lower open rates and even fewer clicks. 3. Impersonal emails. Without experience, you most likely just copy and paste the pre-made emails or tweak it a bit but still sound unengaging. You won't be able to shine enough to merit getting attention. 4. Getting the right products in front of the right people matters. Even the most eloquently written email campaigns mean nothing if you end up pitching the wrong product to the wrong people. This is why I prefer building niche-based websites to create an email list. That way, you know you have a target audience of people interested in what you're actually promoting. 5. One ebook can't teach you everything. Learning the ropes of email marketing involves more than just reading an ebook. You massively boost your chances of success by getting proper training. Wealthy Affiliate has over 70 video lessons as well as weekly live classes and a whole community of experts to help point you in the right direction. 6. Unrealistic earnings claims. Making serious money online takes more than 30 minutes of work a day. You need to invest a lot of time learning and trying things out to see what works and what doesn't. Is Secret Email System a scam? Secret Email System is not a scam, as you get thousands of sample emails and a basic guide on email marketing. Though you may need more training before you start making money with it. I'd say the front-end cost is reasonable, But you needn't bother with the upsells. Where do you go from here? Rather than try and fit all the pieces together yourself, it's way better to follow a proven roadmap to making money online. WealthyAffiliate.com will give you full, step-by-step training that's been proven to work time and time again. They cover all aspects of running an online business, from email and social media marketing to getting Google rankings and finding the best type of products to promote. Get full access for $49 a month or join as a free starter member today and test drives the entire platform before you buy. Check out the video description to get all the details.